the Balanced Bloom Life, and today is backwards day. So that means I'm going to apply my makeup for you in the opposite order that I usually do. Okay, I have my list on how I usually do my makeup because I have to step by step remember them. So I make sure that I did it in the correct order. The first thing I usually do, the last thing I usually do is set my makeup with my sponge, which is dampened, so it's nice and big, dampened with water and sprayed with Stay Spray. The good thing about this step is this is also how I prime my face on a usual occurrence, a usual day, a normal day. So this step is not out of the ordinary and it's not going to sabotage my look. Okay, now that that's dry, I'm going to take my multitasker brush from Maskcara and I'm going to be working out of a HAC stack today. Now, the next thing, or last thing I would do, is my lipstick. Or my lips. I'm going to be using the color Ruby, which you can see here. And I'll apply that. Now the multitasker, like his name obviously, has many uses, but I absolutely adore it as a lip brush. And I mostly use it as a lip brush because it has this pointed end for lining and then a nice flat end for the rest of the lip. Now Ruby is a lip and cheek, which just means that you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. Maskcara's goal is to keep makeup simple, compact, easy to use. Okay, next I would do my eyebrows. And for that, I'm going to be using the Cola Contour. Yes, I said it. Contour. Like the lip and cheek, a lot of our products are multi-use. I can't say I'm a minimalist because I'm not, but I have minimalist tendencies, so I'm liking it. I love the compact minimalist approach to, multiple use things. Does anybody else hate one single use kitchen gadgets? I hate them. I don't know, an example would be like an apple slicer. What is that? Use a knife. I'll cut you some slack if you use your kitchen gadget, your single-use kitchen gadget often. Now this is when things are going to get a bit more hairy because I have to put on my mascara before I do my eyes. And it just seems wrong, because it is. So yesterday, I'm desperately in need of a new mascara. And every time I go to the store I forget to get one. So I did a little trick yesterday. Adding 1 drop of essential oil. Just 1 drop to your mascara. And it just gives it it thins it out a little bit more, so it gives it a little bit more life. Okay, eyeshadow next. I customized this with the 8 colors that I like. And you can do the same. This is weird to work around my lashes. Let's see what we can do. I'm starting out with the color Pup. It's usually that perfect base for my primer, but I don't have primer on my eyes. Next, I'm going to do Mama, which is a very soft pink. It's like one of my favorite transition shades. Now I'm going to go in and deepen that crease with the shade Lullaby. mean, like, maybe I should be like, I feel like I should be doing my eyes backwards too. I should have transitioned and then deepened the crease. Am I cheating? I think I'm cheating. Doing my eyeshadow after my eyelashes was not as detrimental to my makeup as I thought. Next on the list would be Illuminator. If you're not familiar with mascara terms, that's the same. That's the equivalent of highlight. So this is gonna be weird. This one's cream based. If it's the powder based one, there is a specific brush for that. I'm more into a natural glow, so I like the cream based ones. Okay, blush, I guess. And for that, I'm going to be using Hollywood. I guess I'll just look very pale when I'm done. That's my guess, because it's going to cover up my blush. And yeah, I'll just end up looking ghostly. Can I just stop now and not put on foundation? Now my foundation color, Aura, is so good at covering redness, so I'm not really afraid of being able to cover up the cream blush, but I don't want it to. And another great thing about my foundation is it doesn't matter which order I put my contour and highlight on, because they are both used for coverage. So I usually do my contour last, well, after my foundation. You can do it before or after. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to put it on first. To do so, I'm going to be using my Detail HAC brush. Again, if you don't know mascara terms, HAC is just highlight and contour. I'm wondering if I can get around like not completely covering my blush. Would that be cheating? I think I can. And I will show to you that mascara is the bomb sizzle. And this video will be as hilarious as I thought. And again, it doesn't matter what order I do this in, because the contour art also can give coverage. I finally switch to my 30-second HAC brush. I like to use the nice big fluffy end for quick all over coverage. I'll probably use a smaller ended brush. See if I can get it more precise under my eyes. Put it together and I'll look awesome, and I did my makeup backwards. 10 out of 10. I thought I was gonna look a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to switch to this end to do under my eyes. I was attempting to use blush as coverage too. And it's covering. For me it works. I'm going to try a little aura under there. That's my dark circles. Aura is a bit more orangey, so I can color correct. Now, the first thing I would do, or in this case, the last thing I would do is I would set my makeup, my sponge and spray. This is what I would prime with, so it's what I can blend with. Backwards. This is me doing my makeup backwards. Are you shocked? I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked. This was not like a learning experience. This was not supposed to be a whoa, mascara's awesome experience. It was supposed to be a silly video. Oops. I look good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. And remember, keep blooming.